This is our CNC mill. It's a 3-axis computer numeric controlled device specifically made for our industry. The components, when they're brought to the mill, are already cut to length. The program is inputted to the mill, and then it will do various operations, drilling, milling, cutouts to the prescribed dimension. It saves a lot of time in layout, and we're able to do repetitive work quite quickly. The components, when they are finished at the mill, are then sent to the assembly table where the horizontals are installed to the verticals using spigots. We ship to site in a semi-assembled format where they're raised into position and then glazed on site.